Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I've never really cooked with stainless steel, and when I tried it for the first time, I definitely burnt the eggs and uploaded a YouTube short recently using Barkeeper's Friend to get this one looking nice and clean and new again. Let's do some research and see how we cook with these. Okay, Reddit says to preheat for a few minutes on low to medium. I'm also gonna follow prudent reviews and try to look for this Leidenfrost effect. Let's go set it up. Moment of truth. It looks like they are dancing a little bit. So we'll start with coconut oil. This is what I have at home, and I've read some things of mixing different fats. So we're gonna also try some butter. I'm currently at this third dot. There's low, high, and then there's 4 dots here. I think medium would be this, and I'm currently around, we'll go a little lower. And I think that amount of sizzling for the butter is correct. I normally crack the eggs in directly, but for the video, I cracked it in a bowl. I eat a lot, so we're going 4 eggs, and let's season it. My stovetop took a little bit longer. We started at 5 o'clock. It took maybe 7 or 8 minutes to get up to temperature. And as we wait, I'm gonna clean up. That feels way too low of a heat. I'm gonna turn it up a little bit. I'm trying grass-fed butter to be a little healthier. And I probably shouldn't be eating this much eggs because currently there is a bird flu in California, so we might not have eggs for a few months. That's a beauty. Pretty non-stick. The videos I've seen says to always try to flip it on camera, so let's give this a go. Nice. I'm kind of surprised it worked. Video 243 done.